Hey, hi guys, this is Arpita Tulsyan here. So this video is for every student who is going to write their examinations in the upcoming May 26 and September 26 examination. If you are wondering as to how do I finish my indirect tax paper in a limited time considering the other subjects that you have, then I have got a solution for you. I am coming up with a live batch. Yes, live batch that you can attend from your home for indirect taxes. This is going to be an exam oriented batch, but yes, even the first timers, the students who are studying IDT for the first time can attend the same. The conceptual clarity is going to remain the same, whether it is a regular batch, whether it is an exam oriented batch, doesn't matter. The conceptual clarity as well as the coverage is going to remain the same. Yes, now let me just tell you the details about it quickly. So this is going to be a live batch. You can attend it from your home. You will be watching the lectures on the app. The details and everything will be shared with you. Yes, the batch is starting from 16th of January. Okay, 16th January 2026 till we'll finish it up by 13th of February 2026. So approximately within a month's time, we will be covering the entire IDT, GST, customs as well as FTP. That is one thing. Okay, second thing, the entire batch is going to be a live batch. Okay, in case because of any reasons, if you are missing out on the lectures, etc., then in that case, recorded backups will be available. That will be provided to you. No need to worry about the same. Yes. So, ma'am, what all things are we going to do in this particular lecture? So, first of all, 100% of your concepts. Okay, 100% of your concepts will, from exam point of view, will be taken up in the classes. Yes, from question answers point of view, the selective questions will be done. What you have to do on your own, that also I am going to tell you. There are certain must do questions in your textbook. I will also guide you about how to go about it further. Yes, so content is done, your question answers will be done. Then after that, the second thing is, ma'am, what about the amendments? So everything, okay, all the amendments, that is your Finance Act 2025 amendments. After that, the circular, the notifications, everything till 31st October 2025. Okay, that we are going to take up in the lecture. And plus now the ICAI has come up with a statutory update also for the May 26. So even that is incorporated in your new book. So we are going to cover the same also. Yes, so you need not worry about the amendments. You need not worry about the concepts. You need not worry about the question answer. Right? Now, yes, this batch, as I told you, 16th of January will be starting. Yes, weekly schedule will be given to you. Holidays in between will be informed to you well in advance. Okay, the timings are going to be 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening, morning 9 a.m. till evening 5 p.m. Entire day you are going to be with me. Okay, what you are supposed to do after the lecture, I am going to tell you that also during the class. In individual classes, I will be telling you that also. Yes. Okay, obviously between 9 to 5 we are going to have sufficient breaks, so you need not worry about that. You are going to enjoy. Yes, okay, and yes, along with these lectures, you are going to get a book. Okay, 4th edition revised book. Okay, 4th edition revised book. Ma'am, why revised book? So basically I am coming up, okay, I will be putting a separate video for that, but within a week's time I am coming up with a new updated book of IDT. One single content book which covers your entire GST, customs and FTP. Okay, all full content in a single book which you are going to use now also while listening to the lectures. Plus the same book you are supposed to use it till your exams. Okay, no other revision notes, nothing extra is to be done. That one single content book will be sufficient. And along with these lectures, I'll be providing you the question bank also. Okay, updated question bank with all the amendments, etc. That also I will be providing it to you. Okay, this is going to be our revised edition, which is also containing the statutory update which the ICAI has released in this week. I hope I'm very clear with this. And this 4th edition book is free with the lectures. Okay, this is totally free with the lectures. And another thing, in this particular live batch, I'm going to take only limited number of students so that, we are going to have a better connect with each other. That's the reason. So limited students will be there, and if you are interested, then please enroll for this batch. We will finish off IDT in the class itself, that is during those days, 16th of January till 13th of Feb. During this period, we will finish the IDT in all respects. Yes, and the details are available on our website, as you can see here on the board, that is arpitatulsyan.com. Can you see our website? Yes, on this website you can go and enroll. The link I am also putting in the description, direct link also I am putting in the description. You can directly go to that link and enroll. And the fees, very minimal fees that I have kept here is 4,999 rupees, which includes the books also. Yes. So this is all about the new upcoming live batch of CAFinal IDT. Please share this video with all your friends who are writing their examinations in May 26 and September 26, and who are struggling with the limited time that they are having to finish up the syllabus. Yes. Okay. I'll see you then. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.